Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to connect to anyone's Wi-Fi without knowing the password. You're going to be able to pretty much use anyone's Wi-Fi for free, and it could be anyone, like any Wi-Fi on your phone that you see, even your neighbors or out in a public place, but they have like a password on it, like an airport or a hotel. You're going to be able to connect and see the password to any Wi-Fi. And also if they charge you for the Wi-Fi, like let's say like a lot of hotels have like a premium Wi-Fi, like you'll be able to get it for free as well with this method. So guys, it's absolutely insane. As you can see right now, I have all the Wi-Fi's here in the list, and I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to connect to any of these that I want for free and see the password with this insane glitch. So to activate the glitch, guys, we're going to be using this VPN, and this is pretty much how you guys get the glitch. You're going to have to get this VPN client. I'll show you later in the video how to get it. But once you guys do get this VPN, all you have to do is connect to one of the American servers. I'm going to connect to the New York City 2 server, for example, and then we just go ahead and switch it on. And then it's going to switch our IP address like it just did right there. And as you guys can see, we are now connected to the VPN. And now we're going to exit out of the VPN. We're going to go back into settings and watch, guys. It's going to say Apple developer detected. All Wi-Fi passwords now revealed. You can also spy on people's messages and more features. So this is pretty much how it works, guys. It gives you free Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and test it out. So we could select from anyone on the list, guys. I'm going to go with... let's go with this one that says Connor, okay? C-O-N-O-R. Let's go ahead and click it and see what it happens. So it's going to say finding the password for Connor, and as you guys can see, it was a locked account Wi-Fi, so there's no way it would tell me that. But look, it says Connor Wi-Fi password revealed. The password is bbclover97. Type this in and you will connect automatically without them knowing. So as you guys can see, it is working. We're able to go ahead and connect to this person's Wi-Fi without even knowing the password. This is absolutely insane. We're going to click OK. But yeah, you just take the password and now you can log into or use anyone's Wi-Fi for free and save a lot of money. And they will have no idea that you're doing this either, so you could just keep on doing this unlimited amount of times and getting free Wi-Fi and never have to spend money on Wi-Fi again. But guys, how do you actually get this VPN? Because without it, you won't be able to do this method. Like you can't do this with like NordVPN or like any other VPN. It has to be the one that I just showed you guys right there. So how do we get the VPN? Well, it's actually quite simple. On your iPhone or Android or computer, if you want to do it on computer, you guys are going to go to this website. You're going to type this in, yuluvpn.com. Okay, guys? So that's YULUVPN.com. Just going over to it. And it's going to take us to this website that's going to look like this, guys. And once we're on here, all we have to do is very simply go over to the top menu in the top right-hand side right there. And it's going to take you to this page. All we have to do now, guys, is click where it says pricing. Like you see that pricing button. Just go ahead and click on it. And it will take you to this page. And then you guys are going to see this thing right here that says package $4.49. All we have to do now is click the get monthly package or get package. And then it's going to take us to this page right here. As you can see, they also have some reviews. But you're going to see this button right here that says purchase, right? You guys are going to click the purchase. And then it will take you to this page right here. And it's going to go ahead and say checkout. And what you guys will do now is just simply check out with your details. So you're going to have to type in your name, your phone number, email address. Your address, though, you don't have to type in your email address. You could just leave that blank. It doesn't matter. I mean, yeah, your street address or your home address, whatever, just leave that blank. Very important, though, guys, for your account username and account password, make sure it's something that you remember because it's going to be how you access the VPN later on. So make sure it's something that you guys do remember. And then you guys will see that the monthly package is there, $4.49. You just go ahead now and check out with Google Pay, Apple Pay, or credit card. And yeah, it's quite cheap, guys, of $4.49. And also with other apps too, like Cash App and PayPal, they also give you like free money and stuff. So this is pretty much free, guys. Like for example, in Cash App, as you can see, it says Cash App developer detected, and we just got $200 for free, guys, by doing the method. So yeah, I mean, this is really cheap. It's only $4.49, very cheap. You can literally find $4 on the street if you wanted to. Like that's how cheap this is. But yeah, you're gonna check out and then click the send button right there. And then once you guys click the send button, you will go ahead now and go over to photos. Alright, not photos. I just wanted to show you guys a screenshot. But anyways, it will redirect. Like once you click send, it's going to take a while. It might take a while, so don't click off, guys. It might take a minute or so. But it will eventually redirect you to a page that looks like this once the payment goes through. it will say order received. Thank you, your order has been received, and it will give you your username and your password to log into the VPN. So make sure you guys wait, once you submit the payment, it might not load right away. That's normal. It could take up to a minute, like I said. And then it will pop up this screen, and then you're gonna take your details and you're gonna log in with the button right there that says your account. You're gonna click that, and it will take you to this page. What you guys will have to do now is go over to downloads. So click on the button that says downloads, click on that, and then it will take you to this page. And then what you guys will do, hold on, I have to sneeze. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Okay guys, and then what you're gonna do is on the page right here where it says downloads, once you click that, you're gonna see a huge list of places to download the VPN to. If you're on an iPhone, you would go ahead and select download via iTunes Store, so that will take you to the App Store and you just download the app. If you're on Android, you would click download via Google Play. If you're on a MacBook, you would click download Mac app, and if you're on a Windows computer and you want to get it on a Windows computer, you would click download Windows app in the top. And then guys, it's gonna download the VPN to your computer, and then or to your device that you selected, and then you're gonna see this button in the bottom that says settings. You're gonna log in with the credentials that they gave you when you bought the VPN, and then you connect to, once you log in, you connect to the American servers, and then there you guys have it. You will now be able to get anyone's Wi-Fi for free. So thanks everybody for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. And yes, this does work for Android as well. I just showcased it on my iPhone because it's easier. I don't have an Android to actually showcase. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.